Okay guys, tara na. Merienda time, spaghetti guys. Spaghetti canton. Anto version to ng canton ni Tweetam ko, ayan. Yummy. Ang ginawa niya rito guys, pansit canton to. Pansit canton to. Ngayon, nilagay niya rin seasoning tapos gumawa siya ng sauce. Nilagyan ng keso, saka cheddar juicing hotdog guys. Guys, hindi kami nagluluto ng ibang brand ng hotdog. Lagi lang kami tender juice. Napakasarap kami kasi chicken flavor yan, sarap. Saka yung regular puro jumbo. Pati may chicken. Sarap. Love you. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Love, love, love. See you next vlog. Spaghetti canton tayo guys.